Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching how to make this Christmas wreath. This is a very easy pattern. Even an absolute beginner with basic crochet knowledge can easily make it in no time. So let's get started. For that I have taken some mixed combinations of yarn, a crochet hook. The hook must be compatible with your yarn size, a scissor, and a needle to weave the tail. So first we will begin with green yarn. Hold your yarn like this and wrap it around your two finger for 20 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now slowly insert the hook underneath the yarn, you can see, and then grab the working yarn to the other side. And now slowly remove the yarn and make a slip knot. Now we have this circle. Inside this circle we will work now. We will chain 2 and make 32 double crochet inside this circle. So to make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook inside the circle, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops. So yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook inside the circle, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Keep repeating the same till you reach the end of this row. Total 32 double crochets. I'll meet you at the end of this row. I made total 32 double crochet inside the circle, and now I will slip stitch on top of the first double crochet we made at the beginning of this row. So insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop and pull through this loop also. And now we will change color. I'm taking color red. Don't fasten off and cut the green yarn yet. We will be using the same green yarn to make the hanging later. So don't cut it yet. And now we make first half double crochet inside the first chain. And then chain 3 and make a half double crochet in the same chain gap. So what we did, we made a half double crochet, chain 3, half double crochet, all in the same chain gap. As you can see here, inside the same chain gap we made half double crochet, chain 3, half double crochet. And now we will skip the next stitch, skip the next stitch here, and into the third stitch follow the same pattern. So I'm skipping the next one. Into the third chain, I'm inserting the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops. So pull through all the loops. And this finishes one half double crochet. So after that, chain 3. And then make a half double crochet in the same chain gap. Yarn over in same chain gap. Follow me carefully into the same chain gap. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. I'll show you one more and you can follow along. So yarn over, skipping the next chain, into the third chain I'm inserting the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook in the same chain gap, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So continue the same around the circle. I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm at the end of this row. I'll be slip stitching here and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now take the green yarn. We are making this hanging now. So we left the green yarn at the beginning of this, at the end of this row. So take that yarn and now make chains. You can count the number of chains and see what works best for you. So I'll be making few more. And now insert your hook here, bring the yarn and make a slip stitch. And then chain 1 and cut your yarn. So this finishes the hanging and this one. So we will be making this bow. For that, I'll take some white yarn, take a bigger needle, insert the yarn, and then insert the yarn like this. I made the double bow and trimmed the excess yarn. Now I will show you how to weave the tail. Insert the yarn inside a big eye needle and slowly and trim the excess yarn. Follow the same for these two. I weaved the tail and this is how the finished Christmas wreath will look like. If you have made it so far, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.